Hello, students. After the death of Balban, there was confusion in Delhi for some time. His grandson, Kayubad, succeeded to the throne of the Delhi Sultanate. He was a weak ruler. Taking advantage of this, a new group called the Khaljis came to power. Jalaluddin Khalji 1292-96 was the founder of the Khalji dynasty. He ruled for a brief period of only 6 years. He was murdered by his nephew Alauddin Khilji, who later became his heir. Dear student, within 4 years of Balban's death, the Khilji dynasty established its rule over Delhi. The Turk community who belonged to Khilji in Afghanistan was known as Khiljis. Jalaluddin Khilji brought an end to the slave dynasty and its place founded Khilji dynasty in 1296 CE. Alauddin Khilji, who was both his nephew and son-in-law, overthrew Jalaluddin and became the ruler of Delhi. He was very ambitious. He controlled the interference of ulemas and umras in the state administration. Alauddin Khilji framed strict laws to the famous poet Amir Khusro, whose works are well known, adorn his code. Dear student, there was complete disorder in the kingdom after his death, and the Tughlaq dynasty established its power, replacing the Khilji dynasty. Dear students, the next ruler, Alauddin Khilji, was a very efficient and capable ruler both administratively and militarily. During his reign, the Delhi Sultanate expanded. Alauddin established a vast empire. His conquest of Gujarat gave him access to its ports and overseas trade. Alauddin also brought Rajasthan under his control. In south, he sent his commander Malik Kafur to bring the rich kingdoms of Deccan under control. Malik Kafur led two campaigns in South India, the first against Warangal in the Telangana area and the other against Dwar Samudra and Mabar, modern Karnataka, and Madurai, Tamil Nadu. For the first time, Muslim armies penetrated as far as Madurai in south and brought back untold wealth. To deal with the Mongols and to protect his vast empire, Alauddin raised a large efficient army. He built new forts and repaired old ones along the northwestern frontiers. Alauddin Khilji built the Siri fort in Delhi to protect the people from Mongol invasions. Siri became the capital of the Khaljis. Siri is the third city of Delhi. A large water reservoir called Hauz Khas was also part of this city complex. So these are the time period of Alauddin Khilji. I'll continue.